Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the curve profile that matches the intended radius. This guides the entire shape. Once chosen, place and lightly hold the ruler against the paper where your start and end guide marks sit. Make a faint pencil tick at both ends to lock alignment. Then, with steady pressure, draw the first light guiding stroke along the ruler, slow and deliberate to avoid slips. If the ruler flexes, reposition and remark before committing to darker lines. Now refine the curve by working in short, controlled passes. Draw lightly first, then darken to final weight so you can correct mid-process. When extending beyond one ruler profile, slightly pivot and overlap segments to create a smooth transition. Make sure overlap points match visually. Occasionally lift and inspect from a distance to ensure flow continuity. If kinks appear, erase a small area and redraw to blend. Finally, confirm the entire curve reads. To finish, confidently ink or press the final line to desired darkness, then gently erase remaining guide marks so the curve remains clean. If you work on transparent media, sand or smooth template edges before repeating passes to avoid catching. If a mismatch or sudden kink appears, don't panic. Realign the ruler to adjacent correct points and redraw only the overlapping section, blending into the existing line. This targeted fix preserves the rest of your accurate work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.